Hey Salem friends, families, and those in the community. Pastor Kyle here just with a quick word of encouragement as we all are reeling and dealing with this COVID-19 pandemic that we're all trying to figure out which way is up and how to be a homeschool parent, how to love family and friends who are sometimes far away by phone or Zoom calls, how to do our jobs. There's so many things up in the air right now, and it can be a very scary time. And I just want to leave a quick word of encouragement to tell you it's okay to not be okay. It's okay to be frustrated. It's okay to be scared. It's okay to be concerned. The only thing that's not okay is it's not okay to be all of those things alone. It is vital right now that we all be not okay together. I came across this in my devotional time this week. It's an idea shared by Walter Brueggemann, who's one of the great teachers of our time of Scripture. He says that although 1/3 of all of the Psalms in the Old Testament are Psalms of lament, these have been the least used by Catholic and Protestant liturgies. We think they make us appear weak, helpless, and vulnerable, or show a lack of faith. So we quickly resort to the other ones of praise and thanksgiving. We forget that Jesus called weeping a blessed state in Matthew 5:5, and that only one book of the Bible is named after an emotion, Jeremiah's book of Lamentations. In other words, this idea of lamenting, of being wrecked or saddened or upset together in community is a very ancient idea, a very biblical idea. Even Jesus himself pointed it out as a blessed state. So when you're feeling frustrated, when you're feeling upset, when you're seeing the news cycle and you're just not sure how to process it all, don't carry that burden alone. Take it to people around you. Pray together about it. Go on a prayer walk around your neighborhood and pray for your neighbors because they're carrying that weight as well. And acknowledge the fact that together we are broken. Together we are one. And what's most interesting is through all of history, through seasons of lament, seasons of pain, of shared pain like this, all the way back into World War II and other times in history, after those seasons have ended, those seasons of lament, if you want to call it a valley of the shadow, humanity's come out on the other side looking a lot different, a lot more unified. Sometimes for only a season, but that's a choice we all have to make. How will you lean into the pain? How will you find solidarity with people around the world who experience hopelessness like this on a regular basis? Maybe learn from their example around the world. How will you get closer to friends and family and your neighbors? Because together we can do this. Together we can carry the weight. If we each shoulder it together, it's a lot less heavy. So don't be afraid to remember, it's okay to not be okay, but it's not okay to do it alone. Hey, we love you from our family here in downtown Dayton. Love to you all. You are not forgotten. You're supported. Don't hesitate to reach out to the church. If you need anything, if you need just a shoulder to cry on or someone to talk to, don't carry this weight alone. You're loved. Bye.